Hey there, Food for Life family! Welcome back to the channel. If you're craving something warm, fluffy, and delicious, then today's recipe is just for you. We're making the perfect stack of pancakes, light, airy, and irresistible. Whether making them for breakfast or a fun weekend treat, this recipe will become your go-to. So, let's get started. We are going to start with 4 eggs. Start separating the egg white from the yolks in 2 bowls. We begin whisking the egg white until it foams up like this. Once the egg whites look foamy, we will add 4 tablespoons of sugar. After all those whisking, it should look like whipping cream. Now in another bowl, whisk the egg yolks a little bit, then add 1/2 cup of milk and mix them well. Next, add 1/2 cup of flour with a Swifter in your egg yolks mixture. Mix them well. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family or friends. Also subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of the future videos like this. Now it is time to mix both mixtures. Add the egg white paste into the flour mixture and mix them well. Be sure to add little by little. Now transfer the batter into the pastry bag. Grease a non-stick pan with oil a little bit. Carefully squeeze the batter in to then pan like so. Add about 4 drops of water around the corner of pancakes and cover it with lid. Let them cook on each side for about 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Repeat this process for the rest of the batter and stack those golden beauties up high. Now, the fun part, topping them off. You can go classic with butter and maple syrup, or get creative with fresh berries, whipped cream, or even a drizzle of chocolate sauce. The possibilities are endless, and there you have it. Fluffy, golden pancakes that are sure to make your morning extra special. I hope you try this recipe out at home, and remember, cooking is all about having fun and sharing the love. Thanks for tuning in to Food for Life, where every meal is made with love. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.